Your car tires are the only point of contact between your vehicle and the road. They are crucial for safety, handling, and fuel efficiency. Counterfeit tires pose a serious risk. These tires are often made with inferior materials and substandard manufacturing processes. This can lead to tire failure, accidents, and even fatalities. Counterfeiters are becoming increasingly sophisticated in their methods. This makes it harder to distinguish fake tires from genuine ones. Understanding how to spot these dangerous imitations is vital for every car owner. By being informed, you can protect yourself, your passengers, and others on the road. Remember, safe driving starts with reliable tires. Don't compromise on this essential aspect of your vehicle's safety. Be vigilant and make sure your car is equipped with genuine tires from reputable manufacturers. Tire sidewalls are covered in a series of letters, numbers, and symbols. These markings provide important information about the tire's specifications and capabilities. Learning to decipher these codes can help you make informed decisions about your tires. One key piece of information is the tire size. This is typically displayed in a format like 205/55R16. Each number and letter represents a specific measurement. For example, 205 refers to the tire's width in millimeters. The load index and speed rating are also crucial. These indicate the maximum weight a tire can carry and the highest speed it can safely maintain. You can find these ratings in the tire markings as well. Understanding these markings empowers you, as a consumer. You can ensure that the tires you purchase are the right fit for your vehicle and driving needs. It's worth taking the time to learn what these codes mean. Every tire has a manufacture date. This is crucial information for determining the age of a tire. Even if a tire hasn't been used, its rubber compound can degrade over time. This affects its performance and safety. The manufacture date is typically located on the sidewall of the tire. Look for a 4-digit code enclosed within a small rectangle or oval. The first 2 digits represent the week of manufacture, while the last 2 digits indicate the year. For instance, a code of 2223 signifies that the tire was manufactured in the 22nd week of 2023. Knowing how to interpret this code is essential when buying new tires. You want to ensure you're not purchasing old stock with potentially degraded rubber. Tires don't last forever. While there's no universally mandated expiration date, most tire manufacturers recommend replacing tires after 6 years from their production date, regardless of the tread depth. This is because the rubber compounds in tires can harden and degrade over time. This aging process can lead to reduced grip, increased braking distances, and a higher risk of tire failure. Therefore, it's crucial to pay attention to the age of your tires, even if they appear to have plenty of tread remaining. Always check the tire manufacture date using the 4-digit code on the sidewall. If your tires are approaching or exceeding the 6-year mark, consider replacing them to ensure optimal safety and performance. It's a small investment for your peace of mind on the road. Section 5. Picking the right fit. Choosing tires for commercial vehicles. Commercial vehicles, like trucks and buses, have unique tire requirements due to their heavy loads and demanding operating conditions. Choosing the right tires for commercial use is paramount for safety and efficiency. Load capacity is a primary concern. Commercial tires have different load index ratings to accommodate varying weights. Ensure the tires you choose can handle the maximum weight your vehicle is expected to carry. Durability is another crucial factor. Commercial vehicles often travel long distances on various road surfaces. Look for tires with robust construction and tread patterns designed for high mileage and resistance to punctures and cuts. Fuel efficiency is also important for commercial operations. Tires with lower rolling resistance can help reduce fuel consumption and operating costs. Consider tires specifically designed for fuel efficiency in commercial applications. Section 6. Spot the imposter, identifying counterfeit tires. Counterfeit tires pose a serious threat to road safety. These tires are often passed off as genuine products, but they are made with inferior materials and lack proper quality control. Spotting counterfeit tires can be challenging, but there are key indicators to watch out for. One telltale sign is poor branding and labeling. Counterfeit tires may have blurry logos, misspelled words, or inconsistent fonts. Examine the tire sidewall closely for any discrepancies in the branding and markings. Another red flag is substandard rubber quality. Counterfeit tires often use low-grade rubber compounds that are prone to cracking, splitting, and premature wear. Inspect the tire surface for any signs of cracking, discoloration, or a shiny, almost plastic-like appearance. If you suspect a tire might be counterfeit, compare it to a genuine tire from a reputable source. Pay attention to details like tread pattern, sidewall markings, and overall quality. When in doubt, err on the side of caution and purchase tires from authorized dealers. Section 7. Your global guardian of tire safety. The DOT symbol on your tire sidewall stands for the Department of Transportation. It signifies that the tire meets the safety standards established by the United States Department of Transportation. However, DOT markings alone don't guarantee tire authenticity. Counterfeiters often replicate the DOT symbol to deceive consumers. Therefore, it's crucial to look beyond the DOT marking and examine other indicators of tire authenticity, such as branding, labeling, and overall quality. While the DOT sets standards for the United States, similar regulatory bodies exist in other parts of the world. For example, the European Union uses the ECE regulation for tire safety. Regardless of where you are, always purchase tires from reputable sources, and be vigilant in checking for signs of counterfeits. Your safety and the safety of others on the road depend on it. Get behind the wheel.
That's it for today. This is your Ghana's #1 automotive channel. If you know this video is very helpful to you, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you share and put your comment below in the comment section.